Welcome to Engage Math Pre-Algebra Lesson 16, Problem 1. So we are looking for percent of change as an increase or decrease. You really, in order to do these problems, need to know the formula that the percent change is equal to the new amount minus the original amount over the original amount. Such an important concept to just kind of remember. Okay, let's get started now with Problem 1A, where we're going to start with our new amount. So it's going to be the new 50 minus the original of 35 over the original of 35. So you can use your calculator for that. So you'd have 15 over 35, which is going to be 42.9%. And we know that this is an increase. Okay, so you're really just plugging and chugging all of these different numbers into the formula. The next one, new minus original. 150 minus 50 over the original of 50 gives you 100 over 50, which we know this one you don't need a calculator, which you're going to get 2 on your calculator if you do it, but we know that as a percent that would be equal to 200%. So it's a 200% increase once again. Okay, all right, the next one looks like it's going to be a decrease because the original amount is bigger than the new amount. All right, but once again, it's going to be the new minus the original over the original. So we're going to get a negative 80. That's why it's going to be a decrease, because we're going to get a negative amount. So negative 80 over 120 is going to be 66 and 2/3 or 66.6 repeating percent. Okay, and this time it's a decrease. Okay, again, new minus the original over the original. Okay, so this is going to be a negative 30 over 40, which this one you might be able to do even without a calculator. That is 3/4, which is 75%. It's negative, so it's a 75%. I'm going to put it right here, 75% decrease. And you're done. Thanks for joining us here today at Engage Math.